Good evening. Thank you all for being here tonight. I will be presenting intelligent medicine and our flagship product, Circulate. My name is Adam Ryason. I am the founder and CEO of Intelligent Medicine. In the wake of the COVID-19 pandemic, healthcare and infection preventative bodies have relied on protocols based on generalized research or case studies that lack specificity to their given facility. These methods fall short of accurately predicting and planning for infectious outbreaks due to unaccounted for variables such as ventilation, filtration, building design, and user behavior. Currently, we cannot predict with great accuracy how viral particles spread in each of these facilities as a combined effect of the variables. These issues are compounded by low efficiency mechanical ventilation systems within facilities and buildings that are not adequate for handling existing occupancy loads. What if we could address each of these problems with a single solution? This solution would simulate potentially high-risk infectious scenarios without putting individuals at risk, allowing for improved healthcare preparation. It would help improve mechanical ventilation and building design to mitigate infectious spread. And lastly, it would adapt to constantly changing environments as facility occupancy rates fluctuate or when infection rates peak, in order to provide optimal mitigation strategies and thereby reducing infectious transmission. The solution that I present to you is Circulate. Circulate will reduce infectious spread by providing health and safety stakeholders better designed facilities and mitigation procedures through viral particle simulation of populated indoor environments. Our solution is a cloud-based platform which utilizes a multi-scale fluid analysis following faster than real-time simulation. The algorithms within Circulate provide a means to simulate multimodal interactions such as contamination spread in fluid flow when analyzed under dynamic conditions. Where no method currently exists for realistically simulating interaction between fluid flow and human behavior, we provide a solution that can analyze and optimize facility design and protocols to aid healthcare providers. Currently, there are no direct competitors as generalized traditional particle simulators do not capture the real-world conditions of their facility and the interactions of humans. Our medium to long-term direct competitors have deep ties in building, modeling, and simulation markets. However, they lack the ability to perform this kind of multimodal simulation with human behavior. Instead of directly competing with them, we are planning to form partnerships to provide value to their existing offerings while providing us with sales channels and additional software integration. Our medium to long-term indirect competitors possess the technology for biological measuring and monitoring, but are not in the industry for simulating and controlling facilities, and thereby pose a lower threat to us. We've identified two initial markets that Circulate will be able to get a significant market share in: healthcare construction and facility environment management. We've determined, based on customers' willingness to pay, that there is a combined $600 million market that can be disrupted by the introduction of Circulate. In addition to our core market, we have also begun to explore potential customer segments such as academic institutions and factories or plants. Through interviews, we've identified two key business models. The first one is our near-term commercial model, allowing us to provide a solution while the platform undergoes development. It consists of intelligent medicine, setting up the simulation, and performing the analysis for customers to optimize a building's design. For instance, we work with the client to help optimize the location of ventilation or the building layout based on expected occupancy behavior. Our second model is offered through software as a service, in which our customers would be able to simulate scenarios as their environment or occupancy changes to get real-time feedback on how the facility should respond. Our target customers are the stakeholders and financial decision makers within the healthcare facility regarding construction, facility management, and infectious control. Depending on the size of the space and facility being analyzed, we have established that customers are willing to pay between $2 to $6 per square foot for an initial simulation setup. and between 50 cents to $3 per square foot for ongoing use. Our partners will be architecture and engineering companies who could provide Circulate as a value add to their existing offerings while also providing us customer channels. In the last year, we've developed the proof of concept application and core intellectual property for Circulate, while also securing a partnership with Siemens, a multinational corporation with billion-dollar segments in healthcare, mechanical and facility management, and engineering software. In terms of capital, we've acquired 4 customers within the last 3 months and generated $26,000 of pre-commercialization sales. And we were recently awarded a National Science Foundation Phase 1 SBIR grant for $256,000 to cover 1 year of development. Over the next 6 months, we will further develop the technology behind Circulate through research and development while continuing to get feedback from customers. Part of our research and development includes validating the results through airflow measurement and particle counting, performing both biological and non-biological sampling in real healthcare facilities. Once validation has taken place with our existing projects, we will be looking to onboard additional customers as early adopters. While the current crisis emphasized the need for the innovation, it is not short-lived. This is not a COVID-specific innovation. It is a viral pathogenic innovation that will assist with handling other infectious diseases in the future. Our multidisciplinary team, led by myself, consists of a simulation developer, a CFD engineer, and a data visualization engineer. Prior to starting intelligent medicine, I earned my PhD in mechanical engineering from Rensselaer Polytechnic Institute, focusing on medical simulation and mechanical systems design. Serving as advisors are Saurabh Dargar, who provides us with expertise in life science market access and product launch strategies, as well as Dave Laux, who provides expertise in healthcare facility design and engineering. We are tackling this problem right now because we believe it can save countless lives during the current pandemic, as well as prevent the next one from occurring. What we are looking for over the next few months are customers to take part in as early adopters. This would include financial decision makers of any healthcare organizations, as well as health and safety stakeholders or managers of healthcare facilities. Additionally, we are looking for partners in the architecture, engineering, and construction field, as well as the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning fields to collaborate on expanding their existing offerings by utilizing Circulate. Please feel free to reach out to me through my email, our website, or on LinkedIn. And thank you very much again for your time.